Hello, investors. Welcome again to another S&P Stocks 1-Minute Analysis. Today, we'll be discussing Chevron Corporation, a major name in the global energy sector. Founded back in 1879, Chevron is one of the world's leading integrated energy companies, with significant business operations in many parts of the globe. A member of the so-called super major club of the biggest publicly traded oil companies, Chevron has a strong and well-earned reputation for its large-scale operations in every aspect of the petroleum industry. Chevron's operations span exploration, production and refining of oil and gas, to geothermal energy research. With its widespread operational base and a robust business model, Chevron has solidified its position in the global energy market. It's been a key player, fulfilling the energy needs of individuals and industries across the globe. However, as seasoned investors, we're aware that a renowned name and large-scale operation doesn't necessarily mean a good investment opportunity. So, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Chevron stock a good addition to our portfolio? Is it the right time to buy? Let's dig in. Looking closely at Chevron's key fundamentals, we can see that the company's finances are in good shape, and it continues to demonstrate good profitability. While the growth potential is fairly moderate, it's not a point of concern for long-term investors, especially considering the oil industry. What might require more scrutiny is Chevron's earnings quality, which, as of now, seems to be quite weak. However, the company's price-to-earnings (PE) ratio represents a brighter picture, standing well within the fair value range, suggesting the stock's current price reflects its earnings reasonably well. Moving on to Chevron's valuation, our analysis confirms that the company's stock is indeed fairly valued. The relatively balanced PE ratio is a key contributor to this assessment. When we consider risk, Chevron, like any energy sector entity, is exposed to certain levels of risk, influenced by factors like oil price volatility and the ongoing shift toward greener energy. However, Chevron's diverse business model and large-scale operations provide a certain level of stability, at least while oil stands as a major energy source. In light of these factors, our current consensus for Chevron stock is a buy so far. If you want more information such as our target price or fair value of this stock, as well as plain and simple reports, please join us at our website, www.spstocks.com.